Hello guys, today we are going to bypass Xiaomi 11T using AFT tool, and this is the interface of this tool. So the first step is we have to hold the volume up and power buttons for a few seconds, and then
volume up
this
and power
screen will
button
appear,
for a few seconds.
and after that the main menu will come,
menu.
and we have to select the third option
There.
and after that
Now
we
you
have to connect our mobile to the PC using
Then you will
USB
see
cable,
it's working or not.
and then
Now
open
guys,
the
we will see that
AFT
it's
tool,
working or
and we
not.
have
So
to
then we're going to
select our mobile
start
model
button.
in the
Right
FRP
into
section,
F1.
and then the process will begin.
See guys, that is
It's loading.
done. Will be
Okay guys, the process has been successfully completed, and it has successfully bypassed, and this is the normal setting we have to go through, like the normal mobile, and this is the normal routine of the mobile settings. So congratulations guys, the setup has been completed, successfully completed. So if you have any problem,
FRP is done.
you can comment, and we will make
So it is finished now.
a video,
See guys,
so you can subscribe
finished.
for the next updates. Thank you very much.
FRP is done.